or 8 questions, right? And we're going to study that, the 8 questions. I think the places topic, they have 6 questions. And for activity, I haven't checked it, but maybe they will gonna have 7 to 8 questions.
I think the experience will be the hard topic.
Experience would be at least 9 or 10. These are the most number of questions.
Yeah.
And of course, for the things, you're going to have 7 to 8 questions. So if you total that, yeah, I haven't totaled them yet, but definitely you're going to have at least 53 to 55 topics in
We can take a
speaking
match.
too.
Yeah. I type 3 is 24. 24 plus 6 will be 30, and 30 plus 10 will be 40.
Yeah, but sweetie, I'm not really sure about these questions or these numbers, if it is specific or they're accurate. I have to check the prediction later on. Okay. So now we are going to start with people topics. The problem, sweetheart, is this. Okay. These all predicted topics are only good for 3 months.
What?
All right. Now,
Oh
for 2019, they're gonna start with January 2019. So it will gonna end February, March, April. So it will 4 months rather. It will gonna
Oh gosh, teacher, this whole
3 months. I'm not really sure if it is 3 months or 4 months. So it will gonna last April 2019. But the problem is you are going to take it when? July. So the next one would be May, June, July, August 2019. So the prediction that we're going to use would be here.
Wait, it's meaning every question we like the people or every question we learn it, right? Only work for 3 months, so they will change another one.
But hold on. So for example, in speaking part 1, they have 30. In speaking part 2, they have, let's say, for example, 50. And then when they change this to August, they will just gonna change maybe like 20 will be the same, and then 10 will be the additional. Get the point? So they don't change it totally.
Just change a little bit.
Yes. So for speaking part 2, perhaps they will gonna have 35, and then they will gonna change 15. So don't worry about it. They're not gonna change everything. Got it?
But almost everything.
No, only 10. Only like perhaps 10% to 10% or 20%. So you don't have to worry. So we are going to study all of this until April, and then when May comes, then we could study the additional questions.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
So
you understand? Yeah.
So if I lucky enough, I think must be very lucky at the 50%, right? I have an easy question to learn, and that's too easy to me. But if I unlucky, I cannot learn that. Easy.
You will be lucky, because since we have prediction, you will be able to prepare for the topic that the examiner will gonna give you.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start with. Hold on, sweetheart. Let's start with. Okay, that's the problem. I cannot have my. All right, sweetie. Let's start with this one.
Oh, could you share the module to me, please?
Sure, sure. Let's see. This is actually the same link that we had before.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Speaking part two.
Oh yeah, and yes, teacher. What is the little bird on the screen? It's a circle, a bird with a red thing in the middle.
For
What's that?
now, I
Teacher, what
have
is
no
that?
idea.
Teacher,
Okay,
look in the main screen. There is a red bird in here. What is
red,
that?
red. On the screen
Oh,
or on the module?
I will say screen might be teacher. Here, you see this screen of someone you use the red bird.
Okay. That's the company, sweetheart.
Wait, what happened if the company visit us?
Then they will just gonna look if you're studying well or
What
you
happened?
just around.
What happened if I just playing and just like chatting Facebook?
And then they're gonna say that they're gonna report you. They're gonna say that this guy, like nah, Danny is like really. We know he is like, but we found out that it's really true. Something like that. Okay. Anyway, so page, sweetheart, page 6.
Page 6. Okay, I only
So
come.
how many topics do we have for people? We have 8. Okay, and later on, I will be posting on your module all the 8 questions. All right. Now, this is how we study part 2. The first thing that we have to do is I'm going to teach you how to answer